Hey everyone, this is Drew Atwood, and welcome to the very first episode of Fix It Friday, where every week we're going to talk about something you can fix, real estate related, in the Rochester area. Alright, let's go. This week, we got a fun one. So I don't know if everybody knows this, but this is Morgan. And Morgan gets very, very afraid at things like squeaking brakes outside, some type of siren or something driving along the road out there, or the one that really sets her off every single time. That low battery chirps. So guess what I dealt with when I came home to? This. She goes a little crazy and claws at walls when she hears a low battery chirp. So we're gonna fix that, and I suppose now's the time I fix the other ones. Alright, let's get on it. Step one, spackling. Really don't need much here. I'm basically just filling the gap, and then we're gonna sand it smooth. Pretty simple task. Knife like this. Use the application. Clean up the area, get rid of this crap that's just gonna get in our way. That'll work. Apply first coat. Wait till it dries. Okay, so we're back the next day. Everything's looking dry. You're gonna want to take your knife, scrape off any big spots, knock them down. And as you can tell, still some low spots in there. There we go. Still some low spots, so we gotta fill those in. Now we're back again. Everything's dry. Just gonna get the things like that just taken care of. I think we'll be able to sand and call it good. Let's find out. Sanding block. I like these ones. This is a fine. You're not going to need more than that. Especially since you didn't put on too much mud, right? Never put on too much mud. And I'm not going to put any pressure on this at all. I am simply just keeping it within my hand. The block will do the work. I don't need to push at all. Using your hand, you can find a few other little spots. You can feel it better than you can see it. That's it. Ready for primer and paint. So here's a little tip. As you can see, as walls get painted, they develop texture. So if you apply paint to just that area, the texture is going to be different. Many layers of paint, just one layer. So I like to try and cheat the system by painting just that area a second time. to add a little depth to the texture. And here we are after a couple of coats of the one color. Extra texture on that side, primer. But I've got that paint depth that I was talking about by applying extra coats of primer in just the areas that were smooth from the drywall. So it becomes a much less noticeable area of damage. Next, onto that side, different color.